half sleep there. I'm getting ready to go to the house of the Lord.
Me I come, mama.
Passy, hurry up with me half sleep, man. I cannot go nowhere unless I have my full sleep and my half sleep together. Just like this here. Let I tell you, I get that little frock here from foreign, but every time I have to wear it, Lord, he seen thing long but I love it because he cover me foot them. Yes, make a put on me. No, make a put on me. Put on me blouse first. I don't want to catch up cold. So I put on me blouse here first. And let us see if I can put it together. Tell you. I can't even, but I don't even need to button up the whole light. I just need to button up the top part. Yeah, so we are go show. I don't want to leave for church this morning at all, you know. This dress you hand me every time I feel wear it. And because the eye them so dark, I can hardly see. Yes, sir. Yes. Very good. Ready to go to church. Fix me half sleep. And I look good going into the house of the Lord. Yes. Andra, what time they know?
After 9, mama.
Alright, I want to make it to Sunday school this morning. Alright, when my shoes then there?
Yo, I sell her, mama.
Go get them for me and can come.
Me I come.
Actually, you know I'm going to wear them little one here this morning. Because this will look better upon my foot if I go to service. Andra?
Yes, mama.
When me walking, Tik?
He dey on the bottom of my step.
Alright. I can't go down this hill here without my walking stick at all. Oh, see it here. God be praised. Andra?
Yes, mama.
Make sure you're not late for Sunday school. Remember, say children Sunday today.
All right, mama.
All right. I gone to the house of the Lord now.